So this one is for my buddies. This one is for my pretty girls who want to start up a business or who want to get into business. I don't have a lot of capital, don't have a lot of money, and you have no idea on where to start. So come on in and let me give you some cool ideas of businesses that you can start with little to no capital. Hi guys, my name is Fiona. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In this channel, we explore different ways in which we can make money. So, for my pretty girls, my buddies, I want to give you a business idea. The first business idea I want to tell you about, if you know about makeup or you're good at applying makeup, not all of us know how to apply makeup. Like as you can see, for me, I just know like kidogo lipstick, eyebrows, but I don't know much. So if I want to go for an event or if I want to show out, go for a photo shoot, I definitely need the help of a makeup artist. So this is where you come in. If you're good at makeup, you can be a mobile makeup artist. Advertise yourself on Instagram, advertise yourself on TikTok, and I'm telling you, people will hire you for your services. Place your services anywhere from 1,000 bob to 2,000 bob, and I promise you, this is a very good business idea that is popping right now. People are wanting to come out looking good. People are going for events, people are going for weddings, people are going for photo shoots, and hey, who doesn't want to slay? People want to look good. So this is a really good business idea. The second business idea I want to tell you about is selling crochet crafts. As you can see, can you see my top well? This top right here, the embroidery was made by crochet, and crochet crafts are also popping right now. So if you're good at crocheting or you can make crochet stuffs, you can make tops, bags, just some cool things. You can also advertise yourself online. You can sell door to door. You can sell through friends. You can sell to friends and family. You can go to places like Masai Market when the market is open and find a way in which you can sell your products. This is a really good business, even with tourists. It's a business that never goes out of style. Crochet will always be loved forever. When I was growing up, my mom used to make crochet vitambas. She could make crochet clothes for us, sweaters, boshoris, you see. And even right now, the only difference now is the style. People are making crop tops, people are making some cute two-piece sets. So this is also a good idea. The third business idea that you can do is you can make beaded products. Like, you know, this is very popular. You're not a Kenyan unless you're wearing this. So can you imagine, almost every Kenyan, I'm saying almost because I don't mean every, so almost every Kenyan wears these beads. And not just this, people like chains, people like earrings, people like the waist beads. You have seen so many pretty girls wearing these waist beads, and these beads are so easy to make. These beads are really cheap. You get them at the Kariako market. You will get even the strings, everything else that you need. And this is a simple business that you can actually teach yourself on YouTube on how to DIY and how to do it. And this is a good business. It doesn't require much capital. You can start your beads business with even with as low as 500 bob, and it has a good potential. Also, you can market yourself on social media, or you can go to the Masai Market. Masai Market is usually in town, in most major malls on weekends. So you can go and find a way of how you can get some space and sell this on weekends. It's not a bad business idea. If especially you're good at it, you can definitely make some money out of it. So the fourth business that I want to tell you about is clothing business. If you're a girl and you know about clothing, you love fashion, you know where to get good stuff, you can definitely do this. Mtumba business has always been a good business. People get rich off mtumba. Usidharau, mtumba business is really good. But also, if you feel like I don't know how to go source from these clothes and everything, you can also sell new clothes. I'm sure, or you have seen on Instagram, on Facebook, very many clothes pages popping up, and people buy from these pages. I myself have told you guys before, I had a clothing shop. I only closed it during COVID, and I ventured into other businesses. But that was my business for almost 10 years, and I did well with it. It was lucrative. I was able to pay my bills, feed myself, clothe myself. It was a good business. So you can sell clothes, you can also sell shoes. You can get these products from Isili, from Garissa Lodge. Just go source unique stuff. Don't go buy the common Kenya uniform things that everybody else is selling. Source for unique stuff. You don't need to start with a lot of money. You can sell tights. I started selling, by the way, by selling tights. I used to go buy tights in this mall in Isili, and I would go to the underground of that mall, to the basement, sorry, to the basement of that mall. And I used to get these tights at 200 bob, and I would sell them at 500 bob. And I promise you, at first I only used to sell online because I never had a shop. I came to have a shop later after I made some money. So as I started, I used to sell online. I would buy these tights at 200 bob, and I would sell them at 500 bob. And up to date, these tights nowadays are going for 250. So it's only 50 bob that has increased. So you can buy them at 250. You can sell them at 500. That is still 100% profit. You can sell to your friends, post on your WhatsApp, status, post on your TikTok. People will always dress. Clothing is a necessity. There's no day that you will have too many clothes that you don't need other clothes. Clothes get torn, you add weight, you lose weight. So people will always buy clothes. So this is also a really good business idea. So the fifth business idea I want to tell you about is you can be an events planner assistant. Now, these days, in these modern days, life is better. So finances, people are doing better. So people want to enjoy life more. People want to host birthday parties. People want to host baby showers. People want to have picnics and everything. And so a lot of times, people will look for someone who can create this event for them, or someone who can make the decor for this event, someone who can assist them in doing this event. You can do this job. Being an events planner assistant is not costly. You can go to places like Stage Market, where they sell things in wholesale, where they sell this decor stuff in wholesale. They sell things like balloons, they sell things like party hats, party caps, plates at wholesale, and these things are really cheap. They vary anywhere from 100 to 500 bob. The most expensive things you can get are mostly at 2000 bob. So you can start small with your decor things, buy your stuff and advertise yourself. Tell people, like, if you're having an event, I can come and I can do the decor for you. I can be the assistant. I can make your place look beautiful, and you can pay me a fee. And let me tell you, they are paid good fees. You can find someone is paying you 5,000, 10,000 for an event, depending on your clientele, depending on the event itself. And let me tell you, with the way life is going, this is going to be a really good business, even in the future, even in days to come, not just for today. Life is getting better. People are getting more money. People want to live their best lives. So this can be a good idea. The next business I want to tell you about is to start a YouTube channel. Here I am, I'm Magbadi, or I think I am. And here I am on YouTube, and so many other people are on YouTube. YouTube is changing people's lives, so I will always tell people about YouTube. If you have any sort of hobby, anything you're good at, anything you love talking about, anything you cannot talk about enough, you have a phone, you have a smartphone, take your phone, put up your camera, and just start recording. And YouTube is a good platform. YouTube pays their creators really well. But with YouTube, you have to be patient. You don't just start earning money the first day. It will take you some time before you start earning this money. And you'll need to have good content that people will keep coming back to, so that you can be able to grow your audience. But eventually, once you do grow your audience, YouTube is really changing people's lives. So if you have something that you're passionate about, something you always talk about, something you're good at cooking, do it. You're good at doing makeup, do it. You're good at making people's hair, do it. Post it on YouTube. Your tribe will find you and you will be able to grow, and eventually you'll be able to earn an income. Give yourself 6 months to 1 year and I promise you, you will start earning those YouTube checks. Just be patient with it, and it is a good idea. It is a good business idea. You need no money to start up on YouTube. You don't need any funds. You just need your phone, your content, and to just start recording. Okay, so the next business I want to tell you about for my buddies, for my pretty ladies, that you can start this year is making and selling digital products. You can make, I told you, you can make books, you can make t-shirts, you can make mugs. And making digital products is something that is not hard. It is very easy. It is free to start, free to publish, free to put up in these marketplaces, and it really is lucrative because everybody is going digital right now. People are buying things online, people are shopping online, and the good thing about this business is you don't need to depend on the clientele in Kenya. You can sell this to people worldwide. So now that the internet is there, with the use of social media and everything, the world has become smaller. We can reach many people who are not even near us. And this makes digital products a good business because you can make your products here in Kenya and sell them to people in the US, in UK, in Canada, in France, wherever you will find them. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell, because I want to be taking you guys on a journey on how I myself make digital products. If you've been on this channel or if you've checked out this channel, you know that I make books and I sell them on Amazon. I also make print on demand apparels. I make t-shirts, I make mugs, I make pillowcases, and I also sell them online. I've never met these clients. I don't know them personally. We don't meet anywhere. I create these designs, I place them on these platforms, and they print and ship it to the clients. So for me, it's like I'm a designer. All I do is design this product. So this is also a good business idea that you should look into. So the last business I want to tell you about for my buddies, if you are especially looking for a business that is only online based, maybe you're busy, you don't want something that will involve you moving around or doing ABCD, you just want something that you can do maybe on your phone online, is to be a social media manager. With the rise of social media, there's so many businesses out there that need to be on social media or that are already on social media. A lot of our moms, a lot of our aunties, uncles, they have businesses. And some of these businesses might be on social media and some of them might not be on social media. So this is a really good business idea. You can be a social media manager for these businesses. Talk to your relatives, talk to your uncles, talk to your aunties, talk to your friends, talk to your neighbors, people who you know might have businesses but they're not on social media, and you can tell them that you will be their social media manager for a fee. Social media managers are paid really well, and this is something you're just doing on your phone. At the end of the day, you're going to be on your phone scrolling, whether you're on TikTok, Instagram. Don't scroll and just like videos and just laugh at videos. Why not make some money out of it? And if you feel like even the people around you, there's no one who is into business and there's no one who would give you this job, you can advertise yourself online, advertise yourself on Facebook, advertise yourself on Instagram, advertise your services on TikTok. I'm telling you, there are so many business people who are trying to get their businesses online, but they don't know how to go about it. They don't know how this platform works. They don't know how to advertise themselves. You can take that job. You can post their products for them, share their products on their stories. You can run ads for them, share their products on on groups, on pages, So this can be a really good business idea. This is a business idea that you can even do for more than one person. You can be a social media manager for more than one person because it is something that you're just doing on your phone. I myself right now, I'm a social media manager for my husband's business. Though he's not paying me so much, but I don't mind doing it for him because when he earns, I earn. So yeah, you can do this even for your family, for your friends. And if you feel even friends, and family sometimes might not pay you and might not take you seriously as a business, advertise yourself. You don't even know how to advertise yourself. Go on your social media. When you're scrolling, you'll see businesses. You'll see someone there maybe posting, hey, I'm selling this and this, or hey, my shop has this and this. Contact this person, inbox this person, tell this person, hey, I can run your social media for you, I can market you, I can be your social media manager, I will reply to customers, I will engage with clients, and I can market this page for you and help you grow your social media presence. And for this, I am charging you such and such. Go do your research, see how much does a social media manager for a small business charge, or negotiate with this person and tell them, you can pay me 5,000 bob, you can pay me 10,000 bob, you can pay me 20,000. Also look at the business, look at the person, and negotiate with them. Don't go and tell someone who's just a small business person to pay you 50,000 for social media manager. It doesn't make sense. So use wisdom in doing this, and I'm telling you, these are good business ideas that can put some money in your pockets. I am very saddened, my pretty girls, with the recent news that is coming up in our country. The way we're seeing many cases of femicide coming up. And what saddens me the most is that when you go on social media and when you see these comments, it is said that these girls get themselves, let me say in quotes, in these situations because they were after the money that these guys had, which is a very terrible excuse. It doesn't matter what these girls were doing, nobody deserves to be killed. But it also showed me that maybe our girls right now, I know how hard things are in this country. There are no jobs, businesses are struggling, some don't even know where to start from. So if you might be at home and you're wondering, like, where can I start from? Start from somewhere, my baby. Start from anywhere you can. I'm telling you, start and you will see God move. God cannot move where you're not starting. Me myself, I was once a teenager. I was once in my early 20s. I'm now in my 30s. I know how hard it is, but I always loved to do business. I always loved to have my own income because I knew I could never depend on anyone. And even if you have someone you can depend on, this is life. Anything can happen. It is always good to have a bit of your own income. So please, my darling girls, try anything. Try whatever you can with whatever you have, wherever you are. And I promise you, you will see the hand of God move for you. These businesses can be a starting point, a place for you to start from. But God can open other avenues and help you pivot to places you never thought you would be. So don't be ashamed, don't be afraid, don't be lazy. Just try. And I promise you that when you try, you will see that good things will follow you. So please, if you found this video insightful or helpful in any way, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This channel is for us to uplift each other, for us to find ideas and businesses in which you can do. And if you have any idea that you can give to other people in the comment section, that you can give to our young girls, that you can advise any of us, even the older generation, we want to know what to do. So if you know anything that you can advise anyone on about, don't be afraid to leave a comment and let us know. Okay? And so make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching this far. I wish you all the best. And if you start any of these businesses, let me know how it goes. I'm praying for you. May God open doors that no man can shut. Other than that, I love you so much. Bye. I'll see you on the next one.